I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your MEXC account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your MEXC account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option, usually located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Find the account closure option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account closure or deletion. This may be under a security or privacy section. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the previous steps, you should receive a confirmation message stating that your account has been successfully closed. Keep an eye on your email for any final notifications. That's it. You've successfully closed your MEXC account. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help.